This statement is taken from DAWN News, being recorded at the rate of 85 WPM. Start. Hanif Masih, a man in his mid-50s and father of groom Sherun Hanif, was jubilant just a day earlier when celebrations returned to his home after almost 2 years following the marriage of his elder son, but he was unaware that the wedding ceremony of his younger son would bring lifelong pain and grief, costing him almost all his close relatives, as an explosion reportedly caused by a gas leak killed at least 8 people, including 4 of his immediate family members, and injured several others in Sector G7 of the federal capital on Sunday morning. Talking to media persons, Hanif said he was in a room constructed adjacent to the house while all other family members and guests were inside the main house, when at around 7:15 a.m., he heard a blast and rushed towards the house to find everything destroyed, adding that a large number of guests were present due to the wedding ceremony and that he lost his newlywed son, his wife, his own wife and another daughter-in-law, while his daughter was seriously injured, he added that as guests had remained awake until around 3 a.m., most were sleeping at the time of the incident. Sohail Romi, who was present at the site, told Dawn that both the bride and groom were his relatives and said the Bharat had arrived from Gujarat on Saturday night at 6 quarters in G7/2, Islamabad, while the Walima was scheduled for Sunday noon, adding that the gas reportedly remained open overnight and ignited when someone lit a matches in the morning. He said 6 bodies were buried on Sunday at the Christian graveyard in Sector H8, while the remaining 2 were buried on Monday. Meanwhile, William Parvez, a resident of the area, said the worst affected was Yaqub Masih, a neighbor who lost his 2 sons when the roof of their house collapsed due to the blast while he was out of the